Evening, all of you. Today I will talk about trypanosome. Trypanosome are hemoflagellates which live in the blood and tissue are their hosts. So let's start the topic trypanosome. Now come in introduction. Live in the blood or tissue of man or other animals. They are a complementary complex in structures. Having developed organs for locomotion, they pass their life cycle into host. First vertebrate. Vertebrate is a definitive host. Insect vector is a intermediate host. Also known as a digenetic parasite, the vector becomes infected to the vertebrate host only after an extensive infestation period. During this, the parasite undergoes development and multiplication. Developing inside the insect host, they are passes through the various stage. First stage is a mastigote. Second, pa- promastigote, epimastigote, or trypomastigote. Transmission is affected only by blood-sucking insect. Reproduction by longitudinal division of gynecoplast, basal body followed by nucleus. They are a polymorphic in nature. In humans, trypanosomes typically in two forms. Difference between morphological characteristics of trypanosomes. First state is a mastigote. A mastigote is a non-motile intracellular parasite found in the reticuloendothelial cells of spleen, liver, lymph node, marrow, and myocardia. They are also found in cells of epidermis and striated muscles. Second stage is a promastigote. This is an infective stage of Listeria species. Third stage is a epimastigote. Epimastigote is a replicative stage in insect. Fourth stage is a trypanomastigote. This is a extracellular and found in peripheral blood. This is a infective form replicative stage. Trypanosoma they can be classified by as human trypanosomes and animal trypanosomes. Human trypanosomes, Trypanosoma brucei, Trypanosoma crocei, and Trypanosoma wrangeli. Trypanosoma brucei is African sleeping sickness. Trypanosoma crocei Chagas disease and American trypanosomiasis. Trypanosoma wrangeli found in the blood of man in Venezuela and also in Colombia. Second is animal trypanosomes. Trypanosomes brucei, also known as Coges nagana. Trypanosoma evansi, it causes by Surra. Trypanosoma livesi, it causes a harmless infection affecting rodents. Trypanosomiasis is a three-wise classification: West African, East African, and American trypanosomy. West African and East African trypanosomiasis, Trypanosoma brucei gamesis, Trypanosoma brucei rhodesiensis. It is also known as a sleeping sickness transmitted by Glossinia testis fly. American trypanosomiasis species is Trypanosoma cruzi, causes by Chagas disease transmitted by Tritoma winged bug. Let's start the sleeping sickness, also known as Trypanosoma brucei gambiaceae. Parasite causing African trypanosomy, also known as sleeping sickness in man. In cattle discovered by David Brucey in 1890. In man discovered by Ford and Doughton in 1902, Gambia. In Rodentia by Stephens and Phantom in 1909. That is the African sleeping sickness is classified into two forms: Rodensian form, acute disease; Gambian form, chronic disease. Ligariform is a habitat parasite of connective tissue where it is multiplies greatly, consuming enormous of glucose. In bad regional lymph node by lymphatics and also invert that is a bloodstream causing parasitemia. Finally localized in the brain affecting the central nervous system. That is a morphology of trypanosoma. Vertebrate form in the blood of vertebrate host. Trypanosoma brucei gamesis is treated as a trypanomastoid form, which is a highly pleomorphic. It occurs as a long slender form, a stumpy short broad form with attenuated or absent flagellum and a intermediate form. Trypanomastoids are about 15 to 40 micrometer long and 1.5 to 3.5 micrometer broad. In the fresh blood films, trypanomastoids are seen as colorless, spindle-shaped bodies that move rapidly spinning around the red cells. In smear stained with giemsa or other Romanovsky stain, the cytoplasm appears pale blue and the nucleus appears red color. The kinetoplast appear as a deep red, dotted and volatile granules, stain deep blue color. The undulating membrane appear pale blue and the flagellum red color. Insect form, in insect it occurs two form. Antigenic variation. Antigenic variation, this is a unique antigenic nature. This change the outer variant surface glycoprotein at every 7 to 10 days interval. Each successive pair represents a variant antigenic type of trimestobot possessing variant specific surface antigen. Variant surface glycoprotein code antigen. Each immunogenic but antigenically different from the preceding BSG. New variants evade host human response. That is a life cycle, host life cycle in host. Vertebrate host, man, animal and other domestic animals. Invertebrate host is a testis fly. It causes by the two morphological identical subspecies. Trypanosoma brucei rhodensi. This is the East African and Rhodesian African trypanosomiasis and Trypanosoma brucei gamesis, West African trypanosomiasis. Both male and female testis fly of parasite are transmitted to human host by bites of infected testis fly. These fly travel on the banks of shaded streamlet, wooded, savanna and agriculture area. Infectiform Glossina pulchralis transmitted uh, Trypanosoma brucei gamesis and Glossina morsitans transmitted Trypanosoma brucei rhodensis, which are found only in Africa. That is a Glossina pulchralis. Infective form metacyclic trypanomastodon form are infective to humans. Mode of transmission by bite of testis fly. Congenital transmission has also been recorded. Accidental infection from laboratory reservoir. Man is the only reservoir host. Pigs and other domestic animals can act as a chronic asymptomatic carrier of the parasite. Human stage of the development in man and other vertebrate host. That is a injected metacyclic stage, infectiform stage, trypanomastoid or inoculated into man through the skin when infected tetrasply takes a blood meal. That trypanomastocyte multiply by binary fission. Asexually binary fission for 1 to 2 days before entering the peripheral blood and lymphatic circulation. That becomes a stumpy intermediate form enter the bloodstream. Fourth stage is a trypanomastocyte in a blood. So in chronic infection, the parasite invade the central nervous system. Fifth stage is a testis fly takes the blood meal. Bloodstream trypanomastocytes are injected, male and female, during the blood meal. Sixth stage is a development in the testis fly. In the midgut of the fly, short stem-lead trypanomastocytes develop into long, slender form of multiple. After 2 to 3 weeks, migrate to the salivary gland. They develop into epimastocytes, which are multiply and fill the cavity of the gland, eventually transfer into the infective metacyclic trypanomastocyte. Seventh step procyclic trypanomastocyte leave the midgut and transfer into epimastocyte. Eighth stage is a epimastocyte multiply in salivary gland. They are transferred into metacyclic trypanomastocyte. Development of the infective stage within the testis fly require 20 to 50 days. This is a also known as extensive invitation period. The fly remain infective through the life cycle about of the 6 months. Pathogenicity and clinical features. The trypanosomia gambesis causes African trypanosomiasis. The illness is a chronic and can persistent of many years. There are 4 phases. First 2 phases of trypanosomiasis only show up in the people of non-African descent, that is Europeans. Second phase of trypanosomiasis enter the circulation. Uh, that is a fever, symptoms is a fever, headache, skin rashes, duration is a variable. Third stage is trypanosomiasis collect in lymph nodes and channel. That lymph nodes cells not invade, but there is a proliferation of endothelial cells, infiltration of lymphocytes, enlargement of lymph nodes. That is a localized area. Symptoms is a fever, headache, and daily sensation to pain. General weakness, duration many years with trypanosoma brucei gambesis less than 1 year. Usually less than fourth month for trypanosoma brucei rhodensis. Fourth stage is a phases the invasion of central nervous system. That is a African sleeping sickness. A painless canray, trypanosomal canray, appears on skin at the site of bite by testis fly, followed by intermittent fever, chills, rashes, anemia, weight loss, and headache. There is an initial period of parasitemia, following which parasite is localized predominantly in the lymph node. The evasion of the humoral immune response contributed to parasite virulence. This is a systematic trypanosomiasis. Uh, there is a hepatosplenomegaly lymphadenopathy, particularly in the posterior cervical region, Winterbottom signs. During the parasitemia, most pathologic changes occurs in the hematological, cardiac, and central nervous system. Central nervous system involvement referred to as a first stage diseases. This stage is a hepatosplenomegaly and lymphadenopathy. Myocarditis develops frequently in the patient with stage first disease. Fourth page of the clinical features: headache and severe emaciation, mental dullness, apathy, disinclination to work, drowsiness, and coma, death from asthenia, heart failure, meningitis, cerebral palsy. This is a abnormality is cerebrospinal fluid include raised intracranial pressure, leukocytosis, and raised total protein concentration. Difference between West African and East African trypanosomiasis. One disease is two form of infection. West human African trypanosomiasis, East human African trypanosomiasis. West human African trypanosomiasis, Trypanosoma gambiensis, और ईस्ट अफ्रीकन ह्यूमन अफ्रीकन ट्रिपेनोसोमिसिस ट्रिपेनोसोमा rhodensis. Pathogen in blood 2 to 3 weeks after infection. Western 2 to 3 weeks after infection. CNS penetration 4 to 6 months after infection. And later CNS penetration few weeks only. Progress of the disease several months up to 6 years. Process of the disease regularity 3 to 7 months. Range Western and Central Africa, range Eastern and South Africa. Infection area. Infection area is wetland biotope. Infection area is savanna biotope. Transmission cycle human to human. Then transmission cycle wild animals and ruminators to human. Parasitemia is Western African that is low. East African is high appears early. That is a mortality rate Western African low, East African is high. Lymphadenopathy West African early, then East African is less common. Virulence factor of the less Western than Eastern more than. That is a laboratory diagnosis. The diagnosis of both types of African trypanosomiasis is similar. First, it is the non-specific finding, anemia and monocytes. Then raised erythrocyte sedimentation rate due to rise in gamma globulin levels. Reversal of albumin globulin ratio, increased CSF pressure and raised cell count and proteins in CSF. Specific finding the lab diagnosis demonstration of trypanosomes in peripheral blood, bone marrow, lymph node, CSF and cancre fluid. Then microscopy, weight mount preparation of lymph node spirals and cancre fluid are used as a rapid method for demonstration of trypanosomes. Specimens are also examined for parasites after fixation and staining with Gemsa stain. Uh, Examination of the Gemsa stain, thick peripheral blood smear reveals the presence of the trypanomastocyte. That is a parasitemia is a low concentration blood smear is a highly sensitive method. Different concentration technique employ are puffy code examination, differential centrifusion, membrane filtration, ion exchange, column chromatography. Weight mount and stain smear of the CSF may also show trypanosomes. Trypanosomes rhodiensis blood smear Gemsa stain magnification. That is erythrocytes, erythrocytes, monocytes undulating membrane, trypanosomes, gemcitabine, seen the polymorphonuclear neutrophils, cytofragment, that is a nucleus. This is a central portion of the trypanosomes. That is a blood smear magnification and Jamsa stain. Culture. Culture in a Winmans and Tourist medium cultivated. The organs are difficult to grow. Culture is not routinely used for primary isolation of the parasites. Animal inoculation of specimens from suspected cases to white rat bite mice is a highly sensitive procedure for detection of Trypanosoma brucei or rhodesiensis infections. Serodiagnosis of first is antibody detection. Antibody detectors almost all patients with African trypanosomes have a very high level of total serum IgM antibodies, better than CSF IgM antibodies. Uh, mm, Various serological methods have been developed to detect antibodies. RH followed indirect hemagglutination, indirect immunofluorescence, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, card agglutination trypanosomasis test, complement fixation test. That is a specific antibodies detected by test in the serum within the 2 to 3 weeks of infection. Antigen detection, that is a serum and CSF, can be detected by ELISA. Molecular diagnosis, PCR polymerase chain reaction for detecting African trypanosomes in humans, but none is commercially available. Imaging CT scan of the brain shows cerebral edema in magnetic resonance imaging show white matter enhancement in patient. With the that is a late stage central nervous system involvement. Blood imputation infectivity test for differentiation between the human strain and animal strain of Trypanosoma brucei. Blood imputation infective test has been widely used. That is a human strain retained infectively after imputation with an human blood. Animal strain will be neutralized by human blood. In vitro culture system now employed insistent of rodents for testing infectivity. That is a isoenzyme study that is a differentiate based DNA and RNA. That is a treatment in the initial stage with the central nervous system, not involving stage. Pentamidine is the drug of choice for gamesis, human African trypanosomiasis. Uh, that is suramine is the drug of choice for rhodesiensis. Pentamidine dose 3 to 4 milligram per kg of body weight intramuscularly daily for 7 to 10 days. Suramine doses 20 milligram per kg, 5 injections intravascularly and interval of 5 to 7 days. Melarsopril is the drug of choice. It can be cross the blood-brain barrier. Doses 2 to 3 milligram per kg per day for 3 to 4 days. Maximum 40 mg. Prophylaxis control is based on the early diagnosis and treatment cases, reduce the reservoir of infection. Control of testis fly population by wide sparing of insecticides, traps, and beds impregnated with insecticides. No vaccine is available.